Airbnb property management. Managing a short-term rental property can be time-consuming and require significant effort. Well, a lot of effort. As a property owner, ensure the property is well-maintained, clean, and tidy, and has all essentials your guests may need. Be ready to buy something at the request of your clients. That's tricky. You need to know where's the limit, right? So, what's really important here? 7 responsibilities of property management: property leasing, rental research, financial management, maintenance, escalations, tenant screening, lease management. Well, if you really would like to be successful with this business, consider those points. Hiring a property management and cleaning service to handle day-to-day management of the property can be the best decision. Prepare clear procedures for restocking essentials and ensuring the property is ready and clean for the next guest. We have a rule of thumb. The guest checks out, we clean the property immediately. It's a great advice. We never leave property dirty. You never know. You can get the reservation the same day. Guess what? It's going to be a catastrophe. Make sure that you avoid all problems, all issues, prepare everything up front. So by the time you have a client, everything is arranged. Your property is ready and maintained with the best standards. Another great solution could be a co-hosting of your property with experts, like we are, who in just few months make your property fully booked and bring the profits that you will maybe achieve only in several years. Send us a message. We're waiting for your emails. So let's arrange and let's talk about that so we can deliver more money to your table.